What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another recap from today's morning live stream. If you didn't tune in to this morning's live stream, definitely go back and watch it, as we did make some money today. We locked in over $197 in tqqq and $130 in G Pro or GoPro from a swing position that I took last Thursday and Friday. We sold these positions today, one at pre-market and one about 11 o'clock today, maybe 1 o'clock today Eastern time, about a little bit after lunch. So guys, we're going to talk a little bit about this today. If you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing to the channel, smashing that like button, and in the first link in the description below, you can join our Discord, 100% free, lifetime access. But we had some winners today, guys. It wasn't just me winning today, locking in over $200 on tqqq, $130 on GoPro. We had another person locking almost $1,000 on SoFi today, another $111 on APPP. And guys, we have people like this every single day making money in the market. Just the other day we made $111 on Cake. So we're going to talk about our exact trade recap on the day, so let's go ahead and get into it. So first off, we're going to talk about GoPro. We were able to make a nice play on GoPro, considering that we saw this consolidation from these levels. There was some overbought levels. If we look at the 30-day, maybe the 30-day will play a better picture. From support levels of 116, we called that out, to resistance levels about 145. We literally bought this company on Thursday of last week, and we sold right at our target price, our target profit price. We sold it right within this candle, this yellow line indicating 144 share price sold, locking in over $130 in profits with just 100 shares, guys. Or I'm sorry, it was 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares of GoPro at 123, about $1,200. It pushed up to $1,444, and we were able to lock in some profits over, like I said, $130. So that did push up very nicely. And guys, I actually sold too soon because it pushed all the way up to $185. So some of our LTE members, Learn to Earn members, bought at that 123 level, and it pushed up to 185, resulting in a 48% profit. Now, I did lock in profits at 144 for a nice modest 19% profit. I'll take it nonetheless. And then the next trade that we had was tqqq. Now, I did buy tqqq a little bit later on. I believe it was Thursday. We bought it like an 88, 87, 88 mark, sold at 90s. And this was a beautiful play as well, making some great profits with that push above. Now today, this morning, we did see it start out a little bit bearish. We were a little bit nervous, because it was selling off pre-market. And after that, was able to make its way up all the way to that 573 level. So great trade nonetheless. We were able to profit, make some money, and I want you guys to be aware of exactly that. Now, we do trade live every single morning at market open. Definitely consider subscribing to the channel and joining that Discord community. I give you guys alerts. I want to showcase that to you here, as I do give you alerts when those alerts come out. If we go to my trade ideas tab, you can see this morning we started out early. We started out at 4:54. Time to get busy. Okay, I was up at 4:30 this morning. QQQ selling off pre-market. We talk about GoPro consolidating at 123 levels, and that if we can see some volume, it could rip up to 130, maybe even 140. And nonetheless, and to see it actually be able to push up to 1250s, 1255, 1260. We documented it. Here's our buy. We bought at 127. We sold at 140. We locked in $130. This was the snapshot I took right before I sold. You should always sell before you snapshot, but also you can't really snapshot if you sell. So this was a snapshot right before I sold, and yeah, we resulted in some really nice profits. And then I shared another picture here of it up almost 35%, guys. 35% on a penny stock is great. So you can watch that live stream here. All you have to do is go and click on this on the Discord, or check out my live stream in the YouTube channel. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this recap video. It's a very short recap video. We have a lot going on this week. We did a 4:30 wake up. We had a 5 o'clock run. We have a chest push day that we had scheduled, and I wanted to make sure that I had this recap video done for you guys for this evening to watch and see, showcasing our trades from today. So locking in some great profits, guys. I'm really happy about that. I'm not sure exactly what happened to that picture. Let me bring it up again. But very happy. I was able to screenshot it so that we can see those profits here. We'll bring it up right here. There you go. tqqq 197. And yeah, our account is growing. Our account is growing very nicely. We're able to take larger position sizes, but GoPro is only 1,000. It was like 1,200 bucks, and tqqq is a little bit more. It was like around six. No, it was around like eight. It was around like 8,000. So yeah, now that that money's freed up, we're ready to day trade and start some more trading tomorrow. We're going to see what is in store for tomorrow. The overall market is still selling off. It is back below that moving average on the 4-hour. It's still above it. It's slightly holding, but if this sells off, maybe we get into some SQQQ, or we wait for that rebound, wait for that dip, and we get into something else. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I appreciate your time. Like always, smash the like button, and we will see you all in tomorrow morning's live stream, same time at market open. Thank you, and have a great day.